Morning, folks. And just a couple coffees. I'm Andrew Embers. I'm the owner and CEO of Embers Bakery, which includes Embers Downtown, Embers Drive-Thru, and soon to be Embers Lakeside in Kearney. Embers is a lot of things to a lot of people, but mostly we are the purveyor of fine donuts, made fresh every day. We also make all of our breads from scratch, which has evolved into breakfast and lunch. And in addition, we've started to find other ways to serve our patrons, and that includes coffee and finding local ingredients with partners like Normal Roasting up in Burwell, Hudson Flour Mill down in Hudson, Kansas, and even Western Sugar out in Scotts Bluff. Bakery started as St. Art's Bakery in 1957 here in McCook, Nebraska. Here just in the last year have started our expansion plans, which includes the development of Embers Drive-Thru and Embers Lakeside, hopefully to happen later on this year in Kearney, Nebraska. So we chose Honeycomb as crowdfunding in a way that works for businesses like ours. We're looking for people who just want investment in the project and want to see our ability to bring these fine products to more than just the people that have enjoyed them for decades. We're excited to bring you on board as people who are going to invest your time, talents, your treasures into us expanding and bringing everything we do here in McCook and catapulting it to Kearney. So we're excited to come to you and offer this way of investing in your community and investing in us as a small business.